Hi! How is everyone? This is Low FODMAP recipe. Before watching the video, please click like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks, Mike! That's what you need. Onion, garlic are high FODMAP food. Yes, I know they add lots of flavors. But you can still make tasty food using fresh ginger or lots of other herbs and spices. Anyway, let's start. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. First, remove the pumpkin's skin, then cut the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. Put them into a bowl and add 1.5 tablespoons of rice oil, half teaspoon of oregano, quarter teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of salt, then mix well. Place the pumpkin into a baking dish and into your oven for 25 to 30 minutes until pumpkin is soft. Meanwhile, grate the ginger. Into a saucepan over a mid-heat, add 2 tablespoons of rice oil. Then add a quarter teaspoon of paprika, oregano, cumin, mustard powder, and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Finally, the grated ginger and stir well. Add the roasted pumpkin, 1 tin of coconut milk, 250 ml of rice milk, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of teaspoon of pepper. Stir and turn off the heat and blend well. That's what you need for roast chicken and a vegetable. Cut the chicken tenderloin into the bite-sized pieces, placing them into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of rice oil, quarter teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of mustard powder and turmeric, quarter teaspoon of oregano, quarter teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of teaspoon of pepper, then mix well. Cut all vegetables to bite sizes. I am using low FODMAP vegetables such as eggplant, carrot, squash, broccoli. You can also use zucchini, capsicum, potato, etc. Check out the low FODMAP list I put on my website. Before put the spices, reheat your oven to 180 degrees. Put all vegetables into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice oil, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of teaspoon of pepper, and mix them. Cover a tray with baking paper. Place the chicken on vegetable on the tray, then into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20-25 minutes, pour the soup into a bowl, top with the roasted chicken and the vegetables, then serve. This recipe is a low FODMAP food idea. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments on my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time.